In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change an image inside a component in Figma, step by step, in a way that's fast, simple, and beginner friendly. This is super useful when you're working with component instances and you want to swap out one image without rebuilding the whole design from scratch. Whether you're updating a mockup, replacing a product photo, or testing different visuals, this is one of those Figma shortcuts that can save you a lot of time. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and find the component instance that contains the image you want to change. This is important because you need to work inside the instance, not the original master component, unless you specifically want to edit the source design. Now, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac and click directly on the image layer inside the component instance. This lets you select the image itself instead of selecting the entire component. If you click normally, Figma may grab the full frame or the whole component, so using Ctrl or CMD is the easiest way to target the exact image layer. Once the image layer is selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma shows all the properties for the selected object. You want to navigate to the Fill section because that's where the image is being stored. Under Fill, you'll usually see a thumbnail or preview of the current image. Click that image thumbnail or preview to open the image settings. This step brings up the options for replacing or editing the current fill image. Now a pop-up window will appear with a larger preview of the image. Hover over that large image preview and you should see the option to upload from computer. Click Upload from computer to continue. Figma will then open your file browser so you can choose the new image from your device. Find the image you want to use, select it, and confirm the upload. Figma will automatically replace the old image with the new one inside that component instance. After that, take a moment to check the result on the canvas. Make sure the image fits correctly, looks sharp, and matches the layout the way you want it to. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other component instances as well, which is especially helpful if you're updating multiple cards, product sections, or design variations. And that's all there is to it. You've now changed an image inside a component in Figma without having to manually rebuild the design. This is a really handy workflow once you get used to it, and it can make editing templates and design systems much faster. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.